Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but check out, you love changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but check out, you love changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now.